discuss two interesting topics about artificial intelligence and email. So my name is Vino Yoka Pratama. My phone number is 1925 0931.
My name is Paulan Ramadan and my name is 19251381.
So let's begin. Okay, welcome Paula to our podcast. Today I'm your host. We will talk about something that can be used to our work email, like horror movies.
Thank you for having me, Vino. And yes, horror movie is definitely defined perfect of email. It's red notification on your email in your weekend. It's called weekendings.
Okay. Yes, you're right. I think many people feel the same. So, what is your biggest or trigger in email?
Yes, just I explained before. It's weekendings. It's an horror email for your workers from your company. It's giving you stressful because imagine if you in on a vacation with your family or with your friends, and then when you see your phone, there's a red notification in your email, and then it's very stressful and disturbing because it's like uh, make your brain is ready to work and you can enjoy your holiday.
Okay, that's so true. So, but what about writing email? I heard you spend a long time to writing email as yesterday.
Yes, right. I spent 20 minutes for only making email to my company, and it's very stressful because I must have to make exclamation marks for my boss.
Really, yet it's too long time because it's of the exclamation mark.
Yes, exclamation mark is like if you want to give thanks to your company or your manager, uh, without the exclamation mark, it's like you aggressive to them. You're like want to rush their or rush the manager, but if you give a double exclamation marks, it's giving you golden retire to your.
Yeah, I know. Sometimes it's hard to make an email simple or sounds polite.
Exactly, can we make a emoji thumbs up normally for email corporate to company?
Okay. I wish, but let's talk about emails. What do you think? What is your favorite one?
My favorite one is as per last email.
Okay. What does that really mean? Can you explain about that?
It means in human language, it means can you read the emails? Uh, I just explained it 5 minutes ago. You just don't waste your time.
Okay. It sounds polite, right? But it's very direct.
It's a language of survival in your company.
Okay, Pala, before we finish podcast, can you give share tips for our subscriber and listener?
For my tips and my advice is if you're in a vacation with your family or your friends, turn off the notification of email and don't look to email because if there's an email, they will email you and then you can work that email for tomorrow. And then if the buildings on the company is fire, you can the company will call you.
Okay, that's great tips for listener. And okay, thank you for coming us and joining us for our podcast today.
You're welcome, Vino, and thank you for inviting me to discuss this email.
Thank you. And thank you for subscriber, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Hello, welcome back to PBL Podcast English, and now I'm your host, Falan Ramadan, and we will talk about AI, artificial intelligence, which is with Vino. Hello, and the topics is AI turn us into genius human or being lazy human beings? Let's go, Vino.
Okay, hello, glad to be here. Thank you, Fala, for inviting me to your podcast. And I will answer your question. So, don't call us lazy because we are just more efficient. Okay.
Efficient, Vino. I look you doing your daily routine yesterday morning. I look you write 20 page of article. How about that?
Yeah, honestly, AI help me save time, bro. So, I can ask to AI for our work and for my work. So, I can focus more creativity things.
Okay, I'll give you that. That it is a great brainstorming partner. It's something like you have a coworker who reads every book on earth and never gets tired. And I think AI is too far, right? Many students in the elementary school or high school is using AI to do their homework, and they very excited to use AI. What do you think about it? Is that make a human lazy?
Oh, that's the problem. If AI does the thinking and anything can help the work, and so we stop learning, studying, or searching for anything. So it's like it's going to the gym, and you ask to someone else to the expert for you.
Exactly. That what I said. And here's the thing: AI isn't perfect yet. It's constantly mix up fake news. How you describe that? The AI can give a hoax.
Yeah, last week I asked for AI to make a cake recipe, and he told me bake it for hours.
For hours?
Yes,
Ooh.
yes. Luckily, I check it first, and otherwise I will have abandoned my cake and my kitchen too. So I was double check and AI answer.
Oh, you must burn your kitchen. It's a good headlines for your video, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of people generally scared that AI will replace many of human jobs. What do you think? Is that where it comes to early or many in the future?
Yeah, I think AI can replace human because however, it helps us to work, but AI can replace human about feelings or creativity.
Oh, that's actually uh, great opinion for me. You know. So the secret is to AI is to expert your work, right? Not to replace the human.
Yes, exactly. This little bit, this AI will use really easily, and however AI help your work, but never stop using your own brain.
Love that analogy. You know. Well, thank you for come to my podcast. Thank you. You know.
Thank you, Wala, inviting me, and you're welcome. And don't forget always check it first, answer AI, and double check before you check answer AI.
Alright, thank you Vino for coming, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this podcast. I hope you check the button of the thumbs, and don't forget to subscribe and comment to my video. Bye bye. Okay, before we end today's podcast, let's remember that AI and email are both useful technology. Email help us to communicate for others human, and AI helps us work more efficiently. Therefore, students or co-worker, many humans will thanks for AI, because AI help works more efficiently.
And thank you for our listener and viewers. We hope you enjoy our podcast and learn something new, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, guys.